What is the output of the following code snippet? This is the code. Int x is equal to 5. Then we are printing on the console x post increment, then it act as a addition because both the operands are integer type. Then we have the pre-increment x. Option A 11, option B 12, option C 10, option D 13. Okay, let's check all these options one by one and find out the correct one. But before that, just let me explain how this code will work. For that, let me show you same code I have written here. Declaration is int x is equal to 5. Then System.out.println x post increment, it act as a addition because both the operands are integer type. So that is why it act as a addition. Okay, so let me explain. X plus plus means the value of x is 5 and the post increment means we need to increment the value by 1. So final value would be 6. But when this is the post increment operator, so the value will change after using the x value. So here we have 5 only, and because of pre-increment the value would be 7 because the value changes to 6. Now the 6 is because of pre-increment is changes to 7 incremented by 1. So the final value 5 plus 7 which is equal to 12. Let me tell you, like the operation x plus plus, this is the sign for the post increment operator. What it says, use the value then increment by 1. So here we have uses the value same as the declaration. After increment of x, the value is 6 now. Then 6 is uses here because of pre-increment. What pre-increment says, let me tell you what pre-increment says. Pre-increment says increment first, then use the value. So after post-increment, the value is 6. Again we are incrementing by 1, that would be 7. Pre-increment says increment first, then use the value. So x becomes a 7, then return 7. But we need to use the current value here, so that is why we are getting 12. So here you can see post increment, it will not affect the x value, just we take as 5 which is showing here, and because of pre-increment operator the value would be 7. Why 7? Because we have used here x is equal to 5 and then post increment it adds 1, then it goes to 6. Then 6 value again we are using here as the place of x, and because of pre-increment the value would be 7 which you can see. So the final answer is 5 plus 7 which is equal to 12. So choose the correct option. Okay, option B is correct. Option B is correct. Okay, that's all for this lecture. I'll see you in the next.